Have you ever felt totally stumped by something? You've just been sitting there staring at a blank screen or a blank page for what feels like forever? I totally get it. I'm a writer by trade, which means I'm constantly dealing with this problem. But I recently discovered something that changed everything. Curiosity.
Jesus Christ.
So this all got started at my favorite coffee shop on an early Saturday morning, drinking nitro with my family. My dad was like, yeah, one of my friends just got back from Florida where he saw Malcolm Gladwell speak, but it was the same stuff Gladwell had said before, no new stuff. And I said, I get it. Can you imagine trying to be brilliant every second of the day? So the question is, how are these guys, the best of the best, feeding the creativity beast? And that was my aha moment. Something is feeding creativity, and it's curiosity. So here's what I learned from a fellow market waker. Curiosity is this thing inside of our heads. It's like a caveman. There's a rock out there, and we're trying to figure out if there's something behind it that's trying to kill us. Curiosity is asking those questions so that we can figure out more about our world. But here's the rub. Curiosity is also trying to answer that question as fast as possible. But we all know that sometimes the first idea or the quickest idea isn't the best one. That's where creativity comes in. Curiosity and creativity work together like a tree, where curiosity is the root and creativity is the branches and leaves. You have to feed the root, aka curiosity, with things like experiences, adventures, and most importantly, time. Then it will grow and blossom into creative content. When I'm in a rut, I need things to help give my ideas direction and new perspectives, so I like to explore, read, and study other people who excel at their craft. So here's your takeaway. When you're sitting and you just can't get those creative juices flowing, and you know you need to get something fantastic on paper, the key is this: dig deeper. Go ask the questions that don't have answers, and never settle for the first one. That's how you're gonna get there. Look at life through a different lens, and let the possibilities take you away. Because here's the deal: when you grow, you create a community of growth too.